alcohol in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Why don't you all of you step out?
Huh?
All of you step out of the buggy for me.
Okay.
Okay. All of you been drinking tonight?
Hello.
A little? How about you?
There are stories that defy all imagination, and this is undoubtedly one of them. An 18-year-old woman, drunk but confident, takes the reins of a horse and buggy, as if it were her personal supercar. The result, a shocking arrest that left everyone stunned.
I don't need a search warrant. You guys are underage, you can't possess alcohol. I know it's in here.
Yeah.
I mean, you guys already told me that there was beer in there.
Okay.
There's
Well, I
cans.
guess. Yeah, whatever.
So, and the thing with that, so when an arrest is made, because you're 18, you're going to be arrested for consumption of alcohol since you're between the age of 18 and 21. You two are going to have to find a way home, whether that's another deputy or somebody that can pick you up.
Okay.
Okay. So, as of right now, if you guys, you can take a seat in the buggy for now, you two.
Welcome back to Cop Stream, where the most insane and daring stories from the front lines of justice are brought to your screen. What happens next with this young woman? How far will this reckless act go when it collides with law enforcement? Find out in today's video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a moment of wild and crazy encounters. Now, let's dive in. The incident occurred on the evening of October 6, 2024, in Wayne County, Ohio, after an anonymous caller reported an underage drinking party. Upon arriving at the scene, officers discovered chaos. Several horse-drawn buggies were moving down the road, while a group of young people fled on foot.
Yeah.
That means you stop right away.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean you keep going.
Sorry about
Okay.
that. Sorry about that.
Do you have alcohol in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Why don't you all of you step out?
Huh?
All of you step out of the buggy for me.
Okay.
Okay. All of you been drinking tonight?
Hello.
A little? How about you? Whose buggy is it?
It's not mine.
Not yours, but you were driving it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's my horse.
Had you been drinking tonight?
Nope.
No? Okay. Why don't you come over here and I'll test your eyes. If you're lying to me, I'll charge you for something else. So I'll give you a chance again, because I don't have to charge you extra for...
I've had a few.
Yeah, I figured. I'm just talking to
But
you.
not
I can
a
smell
lot.
it on all of you. Okay.
Yeah, of course. We've been at a place where there's no.
Yeah.
Um,
So is that why you didn't want to stop? Because you had been drinking?
I don't know. I didn't really. I just figured
I'm
to
sure
drive
you
in
couldn't
here.
miss the red and blue lights, right?
Yeah.
You knew I was behind you.
Yeah.
Okay. What did you guys drink tonight? What kind of beer?
PBR.
PBR? How about you?
But like.
Bud Light?
Twisted.
Twisted Tea? Okay. Do you guys have IDs or anything?
Nope. I don't.
No state IDs at all for any of you? Alright. How old are all of you?
I'm 17.
17? How old are you?
18.
18?
17.
17. You understand you can get an OVI in a buggy if you're under the influence of alcohol, which is a lot more serious of a charge than just being at a party. Because if you get out in traffic and
Sorry,
you
I
cause an
didn't realize
accident and you hurt the two that are with you, that's no good.
What's
I'm
the
actually-
reason you stopped this?
Because they seen you had a cooler in here and you guys just stopped out by the party where there was a bunch of people that ran away. Okay, so it's an investigative stop to see what's going on. Then you guys refused to stop. And you guys
Sorry
have beer in
about
here,
that.
Yeah,
right?
but we didn't
I'm
want to
really
stop
sorry about
in the
that.
middle of the road.
Okay, well everybody else stops in the road. You pull off to the right, you stop, and my lights stay on behind you. How much of PBR?
Probably about 6.
6 PBR. Regular cans?
Yeah.
Naomi? You said you had
Right.
Bud Light, right?
2 or 3. I don't know.
2 to 3 Bud Lights. Regular cans.
Yeah.
And Verna? You said you had Twisted, right?
Yeah. 6.
6 Twisted Tea?
Yeah.
Okay. So did you just choose whoever drank less to operate the buggy?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, at least you did that.
Yeah.
You know whose house this is?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm sorry about that.
Yeah. I just...
8500, 453, 440, checkup.
453. The issue is if they don't want you here, you're trespassing, being on
Yeah,
their
I
property, right?
I really hate it.
You mind if I check what's in the cooler? Is it more alcohol?
Deputy Hankins stopped one buggy carrying 3 young women, including Naomi, the 18-year-old operator. Accompanying her were 2 17-year-old passengers, all of whom admitted to consuming alcohol. First, Naomi violated Ohio Revised Code 4511.19, which prohibits operating any vehicle, including a horse and buggy, under the influence of alcohol or drugs. This offense is classified as a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by 3 days to 6 months in jail, fines ranging from $375 to $1,075, and mandatory participation in an alcohol education program.
I got you.
Yeah. Whose color is it? Okay. Some more Bud Light. Is that what you were drinking then?
Yeah, that's
These
what I
ones?
was drinking. I don't know if it's all mine or
Okay.
not.
Is this PBR you had?
Yeah.
And you got more in the back.
No, I don't have mine on the back.
You sure?
Yeah.
Looks like it.
I'm absolutely sure.
Okay, there's boxes in. Are they empty?
Yeah, they're in.
Okay. I don't need a search warrant. You guys are underage. You can't possess alcohol. No, it's in here.
Yeah.
I mean, you guys already told me that there was beer in there.
Okay.
There's cans.
Yeah, whatever.
So, and the thing with that, so when an arrest is made, because right now you've already told me you drank, right?
Yeah.
You're 18. You're going to be arrested for consumption of alcohol since you're between the age of 18 and 21. You two are going to have to find a way home, whether that's with me or another deputy or somebody that can pick you up. As of right now, you guys, I mean, you can take a seat in the buggy for now, you two. Vernon, Esther. Naomi, I gotta check your eyes, because if you're under the influence of alcohol, you're gonna have an OVI.
Yeah.
Okay? I mean, I don't care if you two stand out here, but I'm gonna work on doing the field sobriety test with you first,
Okay.
and then we'll get moving with some other things here, okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yep.
So, I'm gonna check your eyes here. I'm gonna have you face away from my car, that way you're not looking at the red and blue lights. Don't be taken off, because I already have you identified, so that's, be thinking of that. Alright. So I'm going to have you watch my pen here, okay? Just stand with your feet together just like this, hands on your sides just like that. And you're going to watch this pen here, okay? Do you have any medical problems where it would affect your eyes?
You know, I have glasses, but I don't have them on right now.
Okay, you see okay with your glasses?
Yeah, I see okay with them. I have a pretty bad left eye, so it's...
Okay,
Yeah,
enough to...
yeah, I have good enough eyes to read the book.
So I'm going to have you watch this with your eyes. Don't move
Okay.
your head back and forth, just keep it facing
Okay,
straight at
I
me,
will.
okay? I'm going to come out just like this, and you're going to watch just as you're doing, okay? That's just a test there. Keep following the pen until I tell you otherwise, okay? Do you remember how long ago it was that you drank?
Yeah, it was a few hours.
Okay.
I'm pretty sober by now. I mean, yeah.
Just keep watching here, okay? Are you able to open your eyes completely for me? There you go. You're squinting a little bit. Okay. I'm not even going to go any further with any tests because I have just the tiniest amount of nystagmus in your eyes, which is what we're looking for in an OVI. It's the involuntary jerking of the eyes when you're following something, or like when you're holding out here at max. The eyes will bounce back and forth when you're under the influence of alcohol. You're not you're not over the legal limit, okay? Especially for your stature and
Yeah, I have
myself.
the horse. I can't do that.
Yeah. So I'm not looking for the OVI now. It's just that you have consumed alcohol with your age. You do have to go to jail for that. You have to figure out a ride for these two. Is there anyone you know? Do you have a cell phone?
I have a cell phone, but it's not really like anyone I can contact.
Okay.
I mean,
Do you have anything on you, like a vape or lighter or anything like that?
I have a
Shouldn't
light.
cigarettes too?
Yeah.
Do you want... Because I can't let you have the lighter, obviously, in the back
Yeah.
of the car. Do you want to take this stuff with you? I can take it, or do you want to leave it in the buggy?
Yeah, you can just put it in the bag.
Okay.
But yeah, I probably have to go to jail, right?
No
and
choice on there.
do you have an idea what time I can get out, or?
So normally with that, we just get you down there, have paperwork done up. If we can arrange for a ride, that's good, because we'd rather not just have you walking out in Worcester.
I know I had to go to jail, but yeah, my mom and dad just live over here on Montfort Road,
Okay.
and I was just thinking it would be really fit if I could take my horse over there and.
Well, I
but
can't.
I probably have to go.
Yeah, I can't let you operate the buggy anymore because you
Can't
have
do that.
consumed alcohol. You're under the age of 21, so you shouldn't have any alcohol in your system. And you've already told me you're under the influence of alcohol. Checking your eyes, I see that you do have an nystagmus, but you're not over the legal limit of 0.08, from what I see here.
Okay,
So-
what about this case? What?
So we're gonna have to figure that out. What we're gonna do with them. For the meantime, do you have anything else? You
I don't
got your
have
phone in your
anything else
boot?
on me except
Anything
my
else?
phone.
Okay.
Okay, so do I ever get a driver for me tomorrow?
Yeah, you might have to have somebody come pick you up, because that's a long way to. That can
Yeah, I
drive.
have a few people I could call.
Well, I'm gonna
It
have
would be
you.
really amazing, like if I could even. I know I have to go to jail, but if you could even drive me home, then I could go.
That's
just to my bed.
possible. We'll check on that.
I'd
but-
rather have that
I'm
than
gonna
just
have
sit
you-
up there all night.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'm gonna have you come to the car with me here.
I'm really sorry. call me again. Yeah.
I'll have you take a seat. Is that a friend or?
Ja. Hej T. Ja, jag är inte med en kvar bara. Kan ni stå upp bara?
Additionally, Ohio's zero tolerance law for individuals under 21 prohibits blood alcohol concentrations, BAC, exceeding 0.02%. Naomi's BAC was recorded at 0.087%, well above the legal limit. After Naomi admitted to consuming alcohol, Deputy Hankins administered standardized field sobriety tests. Despite her claim of being fine to drive, the tests revealed signs of impairment.
Yes, because soon to pull or turn up. Yeah.
I'll be right there.
Okay.
Okay. Are you able to get a hold of anybody to let them know what you've got going on, or do you need to stop by here?
I told one of my friends.
One of your friends? Okay.
But she's not gonna go by her parents' house tonight.
Okay. Alright. Let's go through the field sobriety tests all the way through, because you are under 21 and the legal limit for you is, of course, 0. So okay. So I'm gonna step back and go through that. I'm actually gonna set the lights off too for the bottom.
8500 or 53.
We got on field sobriety test. Okay. We'll stand over here where it's flat. Okay. I'm gonna have you on this line right here. You're gonna start just like this on this line. Okay. So you can face towards the house just like that.
And just walk.
So I'm going to explain the test for you. I'll have you get in a starting position. What you're going to do, once I instruct you to do so, I'm going to demonstrate first and I'll show you what to do, okay? Take your right foot and place it in front of that one heel to toe, just like I'm doing there. You can go ahead and do that now. Stay in this position until I tell you otherwise and tell you to begin, okay? When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps, counting out loud. 1, 2, 3. I'm just taking 3 to demonstrate. You're going to go up to 9. You're going to take a series of small steps just like this, and then get back on the line to go back. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. Okay. So when you're doing the test, make sure that you're looking down at your feet, keeping hands down at your sides, and counting your steps out loud. Okay. Keeping your steps heel to toe the whole time. See if you can get them a ride. Since I got to take her 9, I'll go ahead and turn around.
Then do 9 more.
Yep, 9 more back. Okay. So next one's going to be the one leg stand test. I'm going to have you right there, just facing me. That way I can see you. Okay. So same thing, starting position, feet together, hands down at your sides. When I tell you to begin, just stay in that position until I tell you otherwise, okay? Keep the foot parallel to the ground, which means, just like this to the ground, okay? Straight across. As you're looking down, you're going to count 1001, 1002. When you're doing this test, you keep looking down at your feet, keep your hands at your sides the whole time. Keep that foot 6 inches off the ground and parallel to the ground until I tell you to stop. You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
You can begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1017, 1018, 1019,
443.
Who was driving the buggy?
I was.
You were?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
She's 18. She said, well, you had 2, 3 Bud Light, right? Is that right? Okay. The rest of them had 6 Twisted Tea, and the other had 6 PBR.
I can put this together. Oh, my God.
Which I can send you a picture of, or if you want to get a picture of it.
Okay, what about the horse and buggy?
So, they are, the one on the left is Esther, the one on the right over there is Verna.
You can probably leave the horse and buggy here.
You said you know the people here, right?
Yeah.
Might run past their parents' house if you're good with that, because it's very close to here. You said it's...
Yeah, it's just up here to the right, and
Yours
first place on
is-
the left.
Okay.
See if they can come and get it.
Yeah, and just to let them know what's going on with her, because I'd like to take her up to the jail.
Take her to the post, get a test, and then...
I was just wondering, there's no way you could drive me home.
I probably won't be
I'd
able
pay
to.
you, I mean-
No, you can't pay me. Can't pay me to do anything like that. So I'm gonna have to get you moving that way, because we're gonna do a breathalyzer test too at the state patrol. If you'll agree to do that.
It's something we have to do.
Yeah, it's something we gotta get done because if you don't do a breathalyzer, I have to do a blood test on you, and that would mean we forcibly take blood from you, which is a lot worse. So I personally don't. That's gonna be hopefully when we stop by your parents' house out. The jail might be able to hold you from a little one.
Yeah, but what time do you think they get?
I mean, with how you are right now, somebody's gonna have to pick you up, and you're not super intoxicated, but you've had more than you should have, obviously. So we'll get there when we get there, okay? Because it's gonna take a little time to get this on you.
During a search of the buggy, deputies discovered additional alcohol in the cooler where the women were seated. This confirmed further violations related to underage possession of alcohol and raised questions about the safety of their behavior, especially in a vehicle as unpredictable as a horse-drawn buggy. Naomi was transported to the Ohio State Highway Patrol post, where she submitted to an evidential breath test. Her blood alcohol concentration, BAC, was recorded at 0.87%, significantly exceeding the zero tolerance limit of 0.02% for individuals under 21.
Alright, so this is the Ohio BMV 2255 form. It doesn't really apply to you since you don't have a license or anything. You're probably not going to have one anytime, right? Okay, so we'll be going over this section up here, okay? So I got to read that to you. Just follow along. OVI, operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol, a drug, or a combination of them. If you refuse to take any chemical tests required by law, your Ohio driving privileges will be suspended immediately, and you will have to pay a fee to have the privileges reinstated. If you take a chemical test, you may have an independent chemical test taken at your own expense. Just go with this. Yep. 249, 241. 241. So this thing's just warming up right now. Take about 25 more seconds here. So once we do this test, once you get started and this thing gets going, you're going to do 2 rounds of having to blow into this machine for it's about 8 to 10 seconds. You have to blow as hard as you can. Okay. It's going to create a tone when you're blowing. That's how you're going to know if it's blowing correctly. I'll give you instructions throughout the whole time. Okay. Me and another unit were down southern part of the county for a party, underage party.
Possession and consumption of alcohol by an underage individual violated Ohio Revised Code 4301.69, which prohibits anyone under 21 from possessing or consuming alcohol. This offense is a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 6 months in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. Naomi's actions demonstrated a clear disregard for these laws, especially given her responsibility as the operator of the buggy.
So this one's out of a buggy.
How'd you get that?
I went and driving past and checked on it. There was a cooler in the front, and so I used it more as like an investigative stop. And yeah, because we had a bunch of kids take off out of the area as we pulled up there. So
Take off in cars too.
and just buggies and on foot. Happens all the time. We get those calls all the time.
Yeah, I figured. I was told when if I get called out to that, get prepared.
Yeah.
Start running.
There's always a lot of kids. Okay, so same thing. Once you're ready, take a deep breath in, and then you're gonna blow into this machine. And I'll count down from about 10. Go ahead. You gotta keep this tone going the whole time. Go ahead. So keep that tone going. Keep blowing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, if you can. Alright, let's go. And then if you could just sign this right here. It's not an admission of guilt, it just says that I read you the information on the back of this page. That was that yellow page I gave you a little bit ago to read. So if you could just sign on that line there. Alright, thank you. Okay. You and I are on this, and it'll be finished up. So same thing as last time. Alright, go ahead. 10, 9.
Ultimately, Naomi was charged with operating a vehicle impaired, OV, underage alcohol consumption, and possession of alcohol by a minor. Her two 17-year-old passengers were cited for underage drinking and had to arrange alternative transportation home. Naomi's horse and buggy were secured nearby while she was taken into custody.
Alright, so your result was .087. Legal limit for someone over 21 is .08. So you can't consume anything at all. Okay, so that's your result there. Like I said, that's meant for you and for someone over 21. We'll get moving on down to the jail and get the process moving for you, okay? Thanks again.
Yep.
Alright, go ahead and hop in back where you were. Don't forget your phones there, so I'll let you knock it down in there.
At just 18, Naomi believed she could outwit the law with a horse and buggy. Can you believe it? At an age where most are still learning to take responsibility, she's already managed to turn a youthful mistake into a criminal record. Operating any vehicle while intoxicated isn't just reckless, it's a fast track to serious consequences. This case serves as a reminder for anyone who thinks they can outsmart the law, whether it's a buggy or a supercar. Irresponsible behavior has serious repercussions. What's your take on Naomi's buggy blunder? Have you ever witnessed a situation as bizarre as this? Please share your thoughts in the comments as usual. Okay, keep staying tuned. We will jump into the next drama.
Alright, come on, put your hands behind your back for me. Stop moving your hands.
Relax, honey. I'm just trying to calm her. You're gonna go. Get away.
Just walk away from her, okay? We'll just talk to her. Okay.
28. Or I'm 18. That's what I meant. I'm 18. 2006 is my birthday. 012. I never kicked. So go ahead and... I never f***ing kicked. Please take me to f***ing jail. Because I never kicked. What do you need? Let's move back. I'll do whatever you need. Okay, move back.
On March 31st, 2024, police responded to a beach following reports of underage drinking. Officers approached a 22-year-old named Olivia Remar, who initially lied about her age and birthday. Despite claiming to be 21, she repeatedly provided conflicting information about her birth date, which was later revealed to be 18 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Okay.
When's your birthday? Hold on. When's my birthday? Yeah. It's January 27th, 2000.
And you're 21?
Yes.
So your birthday's January 7th of 2000.
27th of 2000.
27th. January 27th of 2000 and you're 21.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, well, I'm going to ask you one more time.
I'm 22, actually.
Oh, you're 22 now.
22.
Just so you know, lying about your birthday to the cops is a felony.
I'm 22.
Okay, making sure. You just making sure you know that.
27th.
January 27th of
2000.
2000. And you're 22.
22.
Okay. And what's your name?
Olivia.
Olivia what?
Remar.
Olivia what?
Remar.
All right, he's got to check all of this.
What's your birthday again? Where's your ID out of?
Georgia.
Okay. Well, alright, we'll try one more time.
So right now, we're going to put cuffs on you. You're detained. You're lying about your birthday or your name or something. That's first and foremost. So we're going to add that charge to the charge of alcohol on the beach and probably... Okay, just make sure.
What's your first name again?
Olivia.
Okay, spell it for me.
Olivia.
Okay. What's your middle name?
Grace.
Grace. What's your last name?
Remar.
Spell it again for me.
No, get back here. You don't get to go over there. You're being detained at this point in time.
Alright, come on, put your hands behind your back for me. Stop moving your hands.
Relax, honey. I'm just trying to calm her. You're gonna go. I'm just trying to go away. Get away.
Just walk away from her, okay? Well, let you talk to her.
I'm just trying to calm her.
Okay.
Go away.
I did not start running. I did not.
That's my friend. You
Ma'am, get away.
Who are you here? I'm trying to figure out.
We will figure out.
I did not start running. I did not start running.
And so we put her in handcuffs.
That's our problem, not yours. All right.
Why am I getting arrested?
All right. Turn around.
Why? You lied about your
Can't figure out who you are. You lied about your age. You lied about who you were. We've asked you time and time again. Not only that, but you're drunk. You're drunk in public.
I'm not
you
drunk.
have alcohol on the beach. Once we can figure out
have alcohol on the beach.
Once we can figure out who you are. You can't even stand up straight.
I
need you to go.
Up straight. I can stand up straight.
Okay. It doesn't matter. You're under arrest at this point in time. Without
not
violence.
resisting.
I'll talk to you in just 1 second. Give me 1
We're
second.
first going to start with resisting without violence, alcohol on the beach,
Just hold on 1
public,
second. I'll explain
public
things to you.
intoxication.
I'm not public intoxicated.
We'll explain it to you. Hold on.
You're not public intoxicated?
No, I'm not.
So you haven't been drinking?
No.
I'm not asking that. All right. Let me call a cage car because we got to figure out who she is.
Cab purposes are black female 1015.
So are you ready to tell us who you are?
Hold on.
When's your birthday? When's your birthday?
01-2000.
I wasn't gonna. Is your ID out of Georgia?
Yes.
You want to run her to the dispatch, maybe?
Under Florida law, specifically Florida Statute 562.111, the possession of alcohol by individuals under the age of 21 is prohibited. This offense, known as underage possession of alcohol, can result in penalties including a fine of up to $500 and possible community service hours.
Sorry, I'm just trying to ask questions.
Hold on.
So you are 18, honey, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we just want to know from here. We're not the people she's staying with, but we're friends with the people.
This is what we're going to do. You're going to back up off our scene, okay? We're taking care of this. If y'all just back up and let us get what we're doing, we will come talk to y'all. Go. Okay, back up. We don't need any help.
How old are you?
18.
Okay. She told me she's 18.
Bam.
Okay, so listen.
So, no.
If you would have just told us that in the first place, you wouldn't be in handcuffs and you'd be able to go with a parent. Okay? But you lied to us. You can't lie to the cops, okay? It's an extra charge on top of what you got. Okay? And you can't run from the cops. You know that, right?
I know.
Okay.
All right. I'll walk her up and you can deal with. So we're doing resisting without. No explanation to anybody. But just so you know, resisting without.
Drinking under the age, possession of alcohol underage, possession of alcohol on the beach.
I'm not drunk.
How much have you had to drink today?
Like 1 drink.
Okay.
We'll take these and then we'll finish talking to her up there.
Okay.
Either I could walk with her and ride your four-wheeler, because we don't need both four-wheelers down here. So you want to walk, and then I will follow on the four-wheeler, and then you can come back and I'll...
What do I do about my parents?
We'll help you get in contact with your parents.
My parents are in Florida.
Watch out, you're spilling stuff.
We'll deal with that in a second.
I don't care. What do I do about my parents?
We'll get you in contact with your
Go
parents.
and start walking.
All right, we're gonna walk this way, okay?
Do the
The closest exit or the earliest exit? Okay.
This is... I can f***ing walk.
Okay. If you just would have told us the truth in the beginning, you wouldn't be in this situation.
I'm 18. Can you not lie?
Can you check those eggs?
Think they're... Are y'all hunting eggs? What are we doing here? What are the eggs for?
What's in them?
Yeah.
What's in the eggs?
They right there.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Okay. The kids out here, we got to make sure there's nothing bad inside of them. You know what I mean? Okay. Y'all are good. Y'all are good, man. Look, y'all are good. I know you're a little drunk,
No, I
but
wouldn't.
yes, you would. We would have let you go. You wouldn't be going to jail right
wouldn't
now.
have.
We would have.
No, you wouldn't have.
Promise you, we would have. You would have been walking home free right now if you, and then run.
I did not run. I promise I did not run.
Okay.
I'm not planning on running. I don't know why you're grabbing my
Just watch out.
I don't know my friend's number.
Okay, look, calm down. Okay. Hey.
I don't know my friend.
Additionally, public intoxication, which falls under Florida Statute 856.011, involves being visibly intoxicated in a public place and can lead to legal consequences. Individuals found guilty of public intoxication may face misdemeanor charges, which could result in fines up to $1,000 and/or up to 6 months in jail. In the case of Olivia Remar, her actions not only violated the law regarding underage possession of alcohol, but also raised concerns about public safety and responsible drinking behaviors.
Numbers.
Okay.
Put her in the back.
Alright, watch out, one more. Alright, have a seat back there for me. Those are my cuffs on her, Harmon, whenever you get a chance.
Don't let.
But if her parents are on the way here and are about to come talk to you,
I'll
can
talk.
she stay here? Because her...
Okay. Y'all have phones, right? Obviously.
Yes.
I'm gonna go.
Here, I got it.
Y'all want to write down whoever's number on this pad.
Alright.
Is that her phone?
Let me write mine.
Is the red one her phone?
Yes.
I'll give it to her, and then she can call from there. But I'll also give her that just because she's intoxicated.
Hey,
so it might be a little difficult for her. I don't know.
Could I ask what her charges are?
Yeah, let me go get this to her real quick and I'll come right back.
Okay.
Alright, so explain what happened, okay? Alcohol is not allowed on the beach in the month of March. It's the last day, but it still counts as the month of March.
Yes, sir.
Obviously she's intoxicated. We kept asking her birthday.
Yes,
She
sir.
lied to us about it multiple
Yes, sir.
times.
Yes, sir.
And
Sir.
then whenever I went to go place her in handcuffs,
She tried to run.
she tried to run. She took off a little bit. Whether she's intoxicated, I mean, so...
Might have stumbled.
Huh?
Here, just keep talking.
So her charges are resisting without violence for the running, okay? That's just a misdemeanor. She's also going to be charged with minor possession of alcohol,
Yes,
okay?
sir.
She's also going to be charged with possession of alcohol on the beach,
Yes, sir.
okay? That she's getting.
Okay.
They're all misdemeanors.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you have an idea of like how much her bail will be and like how much?
She'll, what's today, Sunday? She'll go to first appearance at 2:30 in the afternoon tomorrow.
It's Sunday. She can't get out today.
Okay.
Yeah, so she wouldn't get out today anyways because
Yeah.
first appearance
Yes, sir.
isn't until the next day. She'll
Move y'all out of the road.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry.
So she'll go for the charges, talk to the judge. The judge will decide if she's going to get a bond or if he's just going to release her on her own recognizance. I mean, since she's intoxicated, there's a chance that he might. The most she's going to get is a bond. So it's based off each charge for whatever. If she doesn't get let out by herself, you have to get a bondsman from where you're from, where she's from.
Wait, so Georgia.
So we have to get a bondsman from Georgia?
Yeah. So because bondsmen only deal with people that are in their city limits, because if she doesn't pay, they can go. It all came down to the head because I ran her twice and neither time did she come back.
No, I understand. She shouldn't
So,
lie. She's not trying to run. I
Do
understand.
you know her real birthday by chance? Because she's still not telling her.
It's January 27th, 2000.
Throughout the encounter, Olivia continued to deny her intoxication and expressed frustration about her arrest. She became verbally aggressive, threatening self-harm and expressing a desire to contact her parents. Olivia's behavior during the encounter constituted a violation of Florida Statute 843.02, which addresses resisting an officer without violence. This offense is classified as a misdemeanor of the first degree in Florida. The penalties for resisting without violence can include up to 1 year in county jail and/or a fine of up to $1,000. Additionally, a conviction may result in a criminal record, which could have lasting implications on her future employment and other opportunities. Olivia's refusal to comply with law enforcement requests not only obstructed the officer's duties but also highlighted her disregard for the legal process, emphasizing the seriousness of her actions under this statute.
2005? Okay.
Yes, sir.
She may have told him, but let me check.
It's either 5 or 6.
2006. She's 18.
Yeah, she just turned 18. She just 2006.
Okay, 2006.
I'm not good with it.
I
It's
think
2006. It's
yeah,
January
it should be
27th.
6.
Yeah, 6. It's
Okay,
6.
alright.
I have one more question. Is there any way I can talk to her at all?
Just really. I just want to obviously have.
Yeah, she's scared. I try to help calm her down. Obviously,
No,
I
it's
can't
okay.
calm
You
her down.
can't calm her down. Can we talk to her, all 3 of us?
Let me talk to them, make sure it's okay, but I don't see the reason you couldn't.
Okay, sir.
Who is the other people that are down there? Is that them right there coming up?
Okay.
No, if she hadn't lied about her age, she
hadn't
would
lied about
have been
her
okay.
You don't run from the police.
You don't run about and you don't lie.
So what warranted her? So
Yeah, what did she do?
The female officer, right? She came over, was standing by us and stuff. And I
So-
saw her watching like a group of people. What
Yeah,
warranted
I don't know that. I wasn't over there. I can have her come explain. Huh?
We would like to know what she
Can I talk to her?
No, you cannot.
Don't do you
I'll-
don't.
She needs to plead the fifth and Ryan shut her mouth, right?
I can.
Fifth only works in court, bud.
Well,
No,
yeah,
I know.
It happens when you're in
the
custody.
only reason I didn't read her Miranda because we're not asking her any incriminating questions.
Yeah.
All we asked her for was her correct. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So
So,
targeted a teenage girl that everybody's out here.
so the only thing with the marijuana is we can smell it, but if we don't see them with the marijuana smoking it or whatever, we can't do anything about it.
That makes sense.
She shouldn't have ran.
But
I mean, this is a
Okay, I don't know what happened when they were down there.
Don't have
She
to.
ran.
Either way, even if she got her the pineapple lily cup and she's underage drinking, She then got walking. It's all because she lied. That's all.
She wouldn't have lied and would have ran. She'd been right.
You don't
lying
run
is not
from your
us.
life.
Get me anywhere. Can I call somebody or are you taking me to jail? Hey, can you answer me?
I'm not.
I'm here rebar on 28. Arrivement. I'm 18. 2006 is my birthday. 01/27/2006.
I thought he was her.
My dad.
He's already been contacted.
Speak to him.
No, ma'am, you cannot.
Why not?
Because you are, right now, you are back there.
Who I want to speak to?
No, you cannot.
But I'm under arrest, so which means I get a phone call.
No, not at this point in time. After you get booked into jail.
So f***ing take me, bitch! Take me!
That's not how this works.
Take me, bitch! You can f***ing take me. You're just fucking ass bitch who won't take me. You can f***ing take me.
When officers attempted to detain her for lying, she resisted and attempted to run away. The officers placed her in handcuffs, charging her with several offenses: resisting arrest without violence, underage possession of alcohol, and public intoxication.
Or, oh my God, if you want someone else
Where's
to
this at?
fucking
Oh,
pick
here it is.
someone else up.
If you do that, I'm gonna tie your feet up. You will not like that. You're not gonna kick our windows. I'm telling you right now, you kick the windows again, and your feet will be tied down.
Please let me talk to my dad.
Do you hear? Oh, again, you will be tied down.
Let me talk to my dad.
No, I won't. That's not how this works. Because I said no. You're not making a phone call right now. I am doing paperwork. And the longer that you sit there and do the things that you're doing.
Slow, don't blame it on me.
Yes, I'm very slow. You're right. I'm slow.
That's fine. I'm gonna get her out, get her in my cuffs.
Okay, we'll get her out.
All right. No, I mean, I'll get Marshall.
All right, step out, Olivia.
Step out, we're gonna get you out.
Step out, Olivia. Step out, Olivia. Okay, there you go.
Let's go. Let's go.
No, let go. That's not how this works. All right, you want to go and put your cuffs on her?
No.
Take mine off of her.
Yep. You bitch. You lied about basically everything.
Move your thumb so I can. There you go.
They're open, bitch. They're open. Cop who doesn't know what the f you're talking to.
Stop.
I'm stopping. I'm going to where the fuck you want me to go.
Yeah.
Acting up, man. God damn.
Oh yeah.
Come on, man.
I haven't done shit.
You adding to it. What are you doing?
Hold on. Are you good?
Yeah.
I hope you f***ing die.
All right. Do you want another charge?
No.
Then stop.
What'd she say? Did she say she hopes I die?
Yep.
That's okay. You just added a charge because I warned you already there, so you just added another charge.
I f***ing hope
Be
I
an
die.
adult.
I hope I die.
You making threats of self-harm, so you can add that to her no-no sheet.
Okay, perfect.
She said she hopes she dies, so.
You can do whatever you want. I just want to talk to my dad.
As the officers explained the charges and procedures, Olivia remained uncooperative and continued to argue. The situation escalated, leading to additional charges due to her threats and refusal to comply with police requests. Ultimately, Olivia was transported to Bay County Jail for processing, where she would have the opportunity to contact her parents.
I can't let you use my phones.
I know you have to call first.
Okay, hold on. Been with her for this?
For a little bit, yeah.
Okay, she's saying that y'all called her dad?
No, some lady some other parent called her dad, not us.
Okay.
I told her she can call when she gets to the jail. He asked.
That's what I told her.
When she gets to the jail, you can call. Did you get the paper? It was a paper that Bennett should have given you, because that's her.
Okay. So, when you get to the Bay County Jail, they're going to let you have your phone to access phone numbers from it. Okay? Then you can take those numbers, and when you are booked in, they will allow you to call a parent. I am just the transport officer, okay? This is between you and her. This is her charges. I'm not fully aware of everything going on here. I'm just here to help her.
Don't open the damn door. Just let me go. Otherwise, you'll split me out.
Olivia, I have explained to you, these are not my charges. This is not my arrest. I'm your transport officer. You are not getting out of this car until you get to the Bay County Jail. That's the end of the discussion. Huh? You're 18 years old. You're responsible for the actions that you make.
Yeah, so I'm responsible for talking to my family, right?
When you get to the Bay County Jail,
fucking take me, bitch!
Oh.
I don't want to stand in this car.
No, I don't either.
Go on, put your feet up. Put your feet up.
My feet are up.
Come around here.
What do you want? Why are you? I am fine.
See, so you're not going to kick our windows. That's a no-no.
I never kicked your windows.
But you're
Okay.
kicking.
I'm not kicking. I
we need
never.
to-
I never kicked. I never kicked. So go ahead and. I never fucking kicked. Please take me to fucking jail. Because I never kicked. Whatever you need. Move back. I'll do whatever you need because I never fucking kicked. All right. I never kicked. Go ahead. Because I never fucking kicked, and this will get sued against you.
I'll get sued. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Anything I can do to help. The fact that she could hear you kicking from out there tells us everything.
Oh, the fact that I never.
Did you get out of the toka strap?
If you're talking about the ones that were on my feet, it just slipped off. I didn't pull. Yeah, I did not try to take them off.
No, I don't know how you got out of them though, because I put them on pretty tight.
They slipped off.
Okay.
So you didn't do a good job then.
Appreciate that. Had you been compliant, you wouldn't have gone in one, so. Quit it.
When is it my turn to get booked?
When they have the guys that are already arrested in there from Panama City booked in. I can't have a female in there with a male. What is your problem?
What?
I can hear you screaming.
What? You can?
Yeah, I can.
No way.
Cut it out. Or you're going to have a lot more problems in here.
For me, for not doing.
They're still law enforcement. If you don't comply with them, you can get more charges.
I'll comply with them. I haven't not complied.
That's why you got charged with resisting without violence, because you weren't complying.
I did not comply.
Okay. Stop.
I have to change my tampon soon, please.
Okay, well, you're going to get in there in a minute. Stop kicking the car.
I was just letting you know. I have no
Okay,
way
well,
to kick
you're about to
another
get out. You don't need to kick my car.
one. Thank you. I'm about to bleed everywhere, so. Y'all have tampons in there?
I don't know. I don't use them. I've never been to jail before, so.
We can look up numbers, right?
Yes, if you're compliant, they will let you. If you are not compliant, they will not let you look up phone numbers.
I don't know.
Yes,
I've never
you do.
been to jail before, so. Do you have multiple?
Yep.
If I don't memorize one number, can I call another? Like look it up?
She's gotten out of her toga strap. She's been kicking. She's not compliant.
I didn't. No, hold on.
No. You've been banging your head and
I
kicking.
didn't get out of any straps. I was never put in any.
You weren't?
No.
Do you currently feel like hurting yourself?
No.
She did advise. She wants to die.
Oh, sorry. How tall are you?
I'm 5'1".
5'1".
Maybe 5'2".
Okay. Do you have any open wounds or injuries? Do you use any kind of drugs or alcohol that you're going to go through withdrawals from?
No. Because I'm not going to fight.
Okay, good.
I swear.
Okay.
They won't argue, but I swear.
Okay.
Count down.
Okay.
Count 3 to 6 and 4 to 5.
Thanks for watching this episode of Cop's Dream. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Olivia's behavior and how you think she could have handled the situation differently. Do you believe she should face the full consequences of her actions? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more captivating stories that expose the wild side of law enforcement. Stay tuned for our next episode, and remember, always stay aware of your surroundings.